Right. Question number 6, account an equation. Is it balanced? Manisha, balance or not?
Yes, sir.
Abhishek,
Yes, sir.
balance?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Right. We'll discuss. Right. Then what about Manisha? Is it balanced?
Yes, sir.
20. All right. Question number 6, trial balance equal.
Yes, sir.
All right. Daksharni, question number 6, trial balance is equal or not?
No, sir.
Right. We'll discuss. Sigma, is it balance? Trial balance?
Not done, sir.
Right. We'll discuss. Right. Right. Quickly we'll discuss ledger accounts and trial balance of question 6. Right, students, look at the question 6. Look at the question 6. Question 6 says, Namanukula trading business was commenced on 1st August 2023. Following transaction took place during the month of August 2023. Accounting equation of this question we discussed last day. Okay, accounting equation of this question we discussed last day. Today we will discuss ledger accounts and trial balance for this question. Okay, right. Right, students, here with this question, I'm going to discuss double entries with you. The reason is most of the students can complete, most of the students, okay, most of the students can complete accounting equation part of the question. Okay, students can complete accounting equation part, but they can't do income statement, preparation of income statement through accounting equation. Okay, most of the time examiner test a preparation of income statement through accounting equation. Then you should have a clear knowledge. You should have a clear knowledge to provide answer for the preparation of income statement through accounting equation. Okay, that is why I am discussing double entry. In chapter 3, we need to discuss double entries. Okay, we need to discuss double entries in chapter 3. But to give you a logical understanding, I am discussing double entries in chapter 2. Then again, no need to do another lesson for chapter 3. No need to complete another lesson for chapter 3. Okay, right. After completing chapter 2, directly we can move into chapter 4. Chapter 4 discuss primary books, direct translation, control accounts, and correction of errors. Okay, right. Therefore, try to get the real idea of accounting. Another thing is, students, paper one, accounting paper 1 is somewhat difficult. Without having a basic knowledge in accounting, without having basic concept of accounting, you can't write answers for paper 1. Paper 1 is a critical paper in accounting. You can do something for the paper 2. You can do something for the paper 2. Okay, but paper 1 is a critical one. In paper 1, 1 to 30, MCQ. It means 1 to 30, you can underline. But 30 to 50, here 1 to 29, 1 to 29, no, 1 to 30, underline. But 30 to 50, you need to fill blanks. fill in the blanks question. And you need to do calculation to provide answers for the third to fifth. Okay, therefore, you should have a clear idea to provide answers for the paper one. Okay, therefore, try to get the logical understanding, a clear understanding of account. Okay, right. Okay, that is my basic purpose of preparing digital accounts with accounting. I know with this lesson I can give you a clear idea of account. Sometimes you may have not done a commerce for O level, but it is not an issue. It is not an issue. Okay, if you come to my accounting equation lesson, then without any problem you can continue the subject. With the second lesson, okay, you can cover equation plus double and negative. You can get the real idea of accounting, especially okay, the preparation of profit and loss account and statement of financial position through trial balance. Get it right, students. Last year I gave you last year we discussed question of this accounting equation. Right now we discuss double entries. Okay, we'll prepare ledger accounts for the question 6 and then we'll prepare trial balance. Okay, we will prepare trial balance. Please check your answer. Please check your answer. Right. I have ordered another whiteboard. Okay, I think next week I can fix that whiteboard. Listeners, you need to buy a calculator. Okay, please purchase a calculator. I think I sent you some of the pictures of the calculator. Okay, please buy a calculator right now because you need to be familiar with calculator. Okay, but don't buy a scientific calculator. Don't buy the scientific calculator. Try to get a normal calculator. I think one day I send you some of the pictures. Give me 1 minute. Now you need to buy this kind of normal calculator. Okay, you need to buy this kind of normal calculator and Okay, normal curve like this. Okay, and it should have square root, as well as in some of the calculators you can see backspace delete button, and if delete button is there, uh, it is easy to do some calculations. Okay, this is a delete button. Okay, delete button, and then square root. Square root is should be there, as well as if it is at delete button, then you can do calculation easily. Okay, now here this one also I think the delete button. It means some of the numbers you can delete. Okay, square root should be there. Right. We'll start. Right. Now, for the question number 6, I will prepare trial balance. Trial balance through an Excel sheet. Right. So I look at the question. Question number 6. Right. First one. 1st August, the business owner invested 1,200 in cash to the business. Then, right here, introducing 1,200 by the owner. What's a double entry? What's a double entry? Huh? Insurance. Owner introduced 1,200 in cash to the business. What's a double entry? Cash inflow into the business organization. Therefore, cash book debit. If cash book debit, capital account credit. Okay, right then here, cash book debit 1,200 capital, and then capital account credit 1,200. Capital account credit 1,200. Capital account credit. Okay, students, that capital account credit entry directly I will enter into trial balance. Huh? Capital 1,200 directly I will enter into trial balance. Huh? Okay, capital 1,200. Right, Daksharne, okay, Daksharne. Okay, clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Sidma, okay, Sidma.
Okay, sir. Clear.
Right. Right. Next one. 3rd August. Cash paid for the month. Building rent amounted to 70. Then what's the double entry? Cash book credit 70,000 rent, and then rent expense account debit. Cash book credit, rent expense account debit. Directly I will enter this rent payment in the trial balance. Okay. Right. Rent expense. Rent account trial balance debit 70,000. Okay, trial balance debit rent 70,000. Okay, clear. Right. Look at the 5th August. Look at the 5th August. Purchase furniture 700,000 and cash paid 500,000 for the past settlement of this amount, and the balance 200 is on credit basis. 5th August. 5th August. Purchase furniture 700,000. Okay. Dakshana, you need to unmute your mic. Huh? Dakshana, you need to unmute your mic. Right. Right. Now, 5th August. Purchase furniture 700,000. Right here. Purchasing 700,000 worth of furniture by paying 500,000 in cash. Then, at first, we will record payment in cash. Payment in cash 500,000. Then, cash book credit 500,000. Cash book credit 500,000. Furniture, and then furniture account debit 500,000. Cash. Furniture account debit 500,000 cash. Insurance we will record separately. Payment of cash book credit, furniture account debit 500,000. Then here furniture account debit, cash 500,000. And then balance 200. Balance 200 is on credit basis. Balance 200 is on credit basis. Therefore, for the balance 200, furniture account debit 200. Furniture account debit 200. Here we'll prepare a separate account. Separate account to show payable for the furniture. Students, here they have purchased a fixed asset, non-current assets, long-term asset. Therefore, payable for furniture 200,000 we can't credit into creditors account. They have purchased, okay, yeah, balance 200 payable for the furniture, but that payable for the furniture we can't credit into normal creditors account. In the normal creditors account, we include purchases on credit basis, stocks of the business. We purchase stock, so purchase of stocks on credit basis we record in the normal creditor account. But here you have purchased furniture, a non-current assets. Therefore, payable for the furniture we can't credit into normal creditors account. Okay, normal creditors account. Therefore, this 200,000 is better to credit a separate account. Okay, to a separate account, payable for furniture. Let's say if they have purchased this furniture from Mora to Libadu, if they have purchased this item from the Mora to Libadu, then Mora to Libadu account, Mora to furniture account credit. Okay, payable for Mora to furniture credit 200,000. So sir, if they have purchased this 700,000 furniture from Mora to Libadu, then you can credit this 200 to Mora to Libadu account. But in this question, I have not mentioned a separate ledger account. Okay, I have not mentioned a separate person. Therefore, it is better to prepare a separate account calling payable for funds. Okay, right. Therefore, students, furniture account debit 200,000, payable for furniture. Payable for furniture account credit 200,000. Furniture. Okay, we'll create a separate account. That account is payable for furniture. payable for furniture. Okay, payable for furniture. Furniture account debit 200,000. Payable for furniture account credit 200,000. Abhishek, is it clear, Abhishek?
Yes, sir.
Yes, then right. Payable for furniture credit 200. Okay. Right. Right. Okay. Right. Then okay, Daksharni here. Purchase of furniture 700,000. To purchase that furniture 700,000, we paid in cash 500,000. So cash book credit 500,000, furniture account debit 500,000, and then balance amount is on credit basis. Therefore, Daksharni, furniture account debit 200,000, payable for furniture account credit 200,000. Okay, that payable amount for the furniture directly I have recorded in the trial balance. Okay, trial balance credit side. Payable amount, therefore trial balance directly credited to that 200,000. Okay, then right. Right. Now I look at the transaction number 8. Sorry, 8th August transaction. Look at the 8th August transaction. Purchase goods, trade stock for 740 on credit basis. For 740 on credit basis, then here you have purchased 740 stocks on credit basis. What's the double entry? If you purchase 740,000 stocks on cash basis, if you purchase on cash basis, how to pass double entry? Cash book credit 740. Cash book credit 740. We will prepare stock account. For the understanding purpose, stock account is so stock account debit 740. Okay, if you purchase on cash basis, stock account debit, cash book credit. If you purchase on cash basis, but here you have purchased 740 stocks on credit basis. So then you can't credit this 740 into cash. You have purchased on credit basis. Then we have to credit this 740. Now here we need to create a separate account calling creditors. Creditors in okay. We can't credit into cash book. Therefore, we credit this purchase of 740 stocks on credit basis into creditors account. Creditors account. Okay. Then stock account debit 740, creditors account credit 740. Okay. Stock account debit, creditors account credit stock. Okay, right? Right. Right. Now, transaction number 12. 12th August transaction. Obtain a loan from bank 400,000. You can do it. You can do it. Okay. Obtaining a bank loan, then cash involved into the business organization. Therefore, cash book debit 400,000. Cash book debit 400,000 bank loan. Cash book debit 400,000 bank loan, and then bank loan account credit 400,000. Bank loan account credit 400,000. Okay, bank loan account credit 400,000. I will record this obtaining bank loan directly in the trial balance. Okay, bank loan 400,000. Now I will record here. Okay. Later I will record this 400,000 in the credit side. In the credit side. Okay. For now, I will recover this 400,000 in the bank loan. Okay, in the description line, nah? Right. Right. Obtain in bank loan. Right, students, look at the next transaction. 14th August. Purchase goods amounting to 324 cash basis. By paying 320 cash, you have purchased 320 stocks. Right. Then cash book credit 320, stock. And then stock account debit 320, cash. Okay, cash book credit 320, stock account debit 320. We have purchased 320 stocks on cash basis. Right. 15th August. Goods costing 580. Goods costing 580 was sold for 860. 860 on credit basis. On credit basis. Okay, students. Here 580 worth of stocks. Okay, sold at 860 on credit basis. Credit basis. Last year also we discussed here. At first, we need to record transferring 580 stock to the customer. Transferring 580 stock to the customer. Then this 580 means what? This 580 means purchase price of the stock. Purchase price. Okay, purchase price 580. Okay, sales value 860. Then to get this 860 sales income, your cost is 580. Your cost is 580. Okay, to get this sales income of 860, your cost is 580. Okay, here this 860 is the sales. 580 is the cost of this sale. Cost of this sale. The students, this 580 means cost of sales. Cost of sales 580. So at first we will record transferring 580 stock to the customer. How to pass double entry? Stock account credit 580. You need to release stock to the customer. So stock account credit 580. Cost of sales account debit 580. Cost of sales account debit 580. Cost of sales account debit 580. Stock. Okay. Stock account credit 580. Cost of sale account debit 580. Transferring 580 stock to the customer. And then here you have sold 860 on credit basis. 860. Sale value 860. So then how to pass double entry for this 860? Debtors account debit. Debtors account debit 860. Debtors account debit 860. Sales and then sales account credit 860. Debtors. Sales account credit 860. Debtors. Sales account credit 860. Debtors. Students, if you sold on cash basis, how to pass double entry? Cash book debit 860, sales account credit 860. But here you have sold on credit basis. So then you can't debit into cash account. Then we have to debit debtors account. Debtors account debit, sales account credit. Sales account credit. Okay, right then. Sigma, now we are in 15th August transaction. 15th August transaction is 580 stock. Sale value 860. 580 stock. So then stock credit 580, cost of sale debit 580. And then sale value, debtors debit 860, sales credit 860. Okay, right. So that's my advice is try to get the logical understanding through the class and then teach this concept to someone else. In this, with this subject, I will give some practical examples and some of the practical double entries. Try to teach these concepts to someone else. That is the best method to learn. Teaching is the best method to learn. Okay. If you are going to school, okay, try to teach, okay, some of the concepts, okay, discuss in this class to someone else. That's the best method. Okay, right. Now my 15th August transaction done. Look at the next transaction, 18th August. 18th August. Business owner introduced 240 in cash as additional capital. 240 additional capital you can do. Right? Cash book debit 240. Cash book debit 240 capital and then issued as capital account credit. Cash book debit 240 capital and then capital account credit 240. Directly I will record that one in the trial balance. Trial balance capital was 240. Okay, right. Later I will record this trial balance in the credit side of the trial balance. Huh? Right. Right. Look at the next transaction. Next transaction. Students. Right. 20th August. Look at the 20th August transaction. A stock of 30 purchased on 8th August was returned to supplier. 30,000 stock returned to supplier. Here, 30,000 stock returned to supplier means purchase stocks they have returned to supplier. To suppliers. Return outward. The technical term is what? Return outward. Return outward. Or purchase return. In accounting, students, in accounting, always we consider in O level, sorry, especially in advanced level, we consider if you return a stock to a supplier, definitely that stocks has been purchased on credit basis. Earlier, they have purchased this 30,000 stocks on credit basis. Credit basis. Okay, credit basis purchase stocks. They return to supplier. That is one of the assumption in accounting, but actually stocks purchased on cash basis may return to suppliers. But in A level, as well as in chartered accounting also, we consider if you have returned some stock to a supplier, definitely that stock has been purchased on credit basis. Credit basis purchase stock returned to suppliers. It is one of the assumption. One of the assumption in accounting, in advanced level as well as in chartered accounting and as well as in degree, okay, as well as in the degree level in campus, okay, right. They discuss if you return a stock to supplier, definitely that stock you have purchased on credit basis. But sometimes in Cambridge advanced level, examiners test stocks return which has been purchased on cash basis. Okay, but in local A level, as well as in chartered accounting, as well as in some of the degrees, okay, in some of the degrees, they discuss purchase stocks. Okay, stock returns. Definitely, they have purchased on credit. The same theory applicable for the return inward also. Sales return, here purchase return. Sales return insurance, in sales return also we assume if one of the customer return purchase stocks to the business again, sales return, definitely that the stocks has been sold on credit basis. Credit sales return by the customer. Here, credit purchases return from the business to supplier. On the other hand, credit sales returned by the customer to the business organization. Then credit sales directly influence to creditors and credit purchases directly influence to creditors. Credit sales directly influence to debtors. Debtors are the reason. Credit sales, debtors, credit purchases to suppliers. Okay, okay, suppliers means creditors account. And there is students here 30,000 stocks return to supplier. Then how it was available for this transaction? Then insurance, then without preparing a purchase return account, directly we will record this purchase return to stock account. Okay, we will pass double entries to stock account without preparing a purchase return account. Therefore, students, here returning stock to suppliers, returning 30,000 stock to suppliers. So then stocks account credit, stock decreased by 30,000. Stock account credit 30,000. Creditors, and then creditors account debit 30,000. Okay, here stock account credit, creditors account debit. Stock account credit, creditors account debit. Okay, later we will discuss how to create purchase return account. This 30,000 we can credit into purchase return account. Purchase return credit, creditors account debit. But for the understanding purpose, we will credit this 30,000 into stock account. Okay, that is the practical liability of this transaction. Stock credit, creditors account debit. Okay, simple, clear.
Clear, sir.
Clear, right? Manisha, is it clear, Manisha?
Yes.
Clear, right? 21st August. Somebody look at the 21st August transaction. August, goods costing 280 was sold for 400 in cash basis, right? 280 stocks, right? You can do it. You can do it. A simple transaction. Look at that transaction. 21st August, goods costing 280. At first, we will transfer stocks. Stock account credit 280. Cost of sale account debit 280 stock. Removing stock credit, cost of sale account debit, and then receiving cash book debit 400, sales account debit 400, sales account debit 400 cash. Okay, stock credit, cost of sale account debit 280, and then receiving cash book debit, sales account debit. Right, next transaction. 23rd August, cash paid for past settlement of loan amounted to 80,000. To settle bank loan, you paid in cash 80,000. Then cash book credit 80,000, bank loan account debit 80,000. Cash book credit, bank loan account debit. Right, we will deduct 80,000 from bank loan. Bank loan, look at the trial balance. In the trial balance, I have recorded bank loan. Right. Bank loan minus 80,000, na? Right. Bank loan, right, minus 80,000. Bank loan account debit ne? Therefore, bank loan minus 80,000. Right. Dakshar, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Right, now next transaction, 25th August, the business owner withdrew cash 30,000 for his personal use. Then cash book credit drove his account debit. Cash book credit 30,000 drawings, and then drawings account debit 30,000 cash. I will directly record that drawings in the trial balance. Trial balance, drawings 30,000. Okay, cash book credit drawings account debit. Cash book credit drawings account debit. Right. Right. Next transaction, 26 transaction, 26 August. Lamai, look at the 26 August. Goods costing 40, sold for 60 on 15th August, written by the customer. Credit sales written by the customer. Students, pass the opposite entry of credit sales. Pass the opposite entry of credit sales. So then here, goods costing 40,000. When you sell, okay, when you sell, how to pass double entry for the 40,000? Okay, students, stock credit, cost of sale account debit. Okay, when you're selling, how to pass double entry for this 40,000? Stock credit, cost of sale account debit. Then reverse that 40,000. Reverse that 40,000. How reverse? Again, business received 40,000 stocks. Stock account credit 40,000. Cost of sale account credit 40,000 stock. Pass a reverse double entry. And then 60,000 sale value. When you selling, how to pass double entry for the 60,000? How to pass double entry? Debtors account debit, sales account credit. Debtors account debit, sales account credit. But reverse entry, debtors credit 60,000, sales account debit 60,000. Debtors account credit, sales account debit. So that's this 60,000 we can debit into sales return account or return inward account. But for the understanding purpose, we will debit into sales account. Okay, this 60,000 we can debit into sales return account or return inward account. But for the understanding purpose, we will debit into sales account. Okay, right. Is it clear? Abhishek, is it clear, Abhishek?
Yes.
Yes, right. Manisha, clear, Manisha?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Right, 28th August. Cash paid for August month salaries for workers amounted to 40. You can do it. You can do it. Cash payment of salary. Cash book credit 40,000. Cash book credit 40,000 salary. And then salary account debit 40,000 cash. Salary account debit 40,000 cash. Directly I will debit into salary account. Huh? Salary account debit 40,000. Okay. Cash book credit, salary account debit 40,000. Huh? Right. Right. 29th August. Now I look at the 29th August. Receiving a discount of 20, cash paid for creditors 380 in settlement of 400. You are going to settle 400,000 to creditors. You are going to settle 400,000, but creditor offered you 20,000 discount. 20,000 discount. 20,000 cash discount. Students, in O level you have learned discounts. Basically, we can divide into two: trade discounts and cash discount. Trade discounts and cash discount. The purpose of trade discount is, in O level you have learned, trade discounts and cash discount. Trade discount and cash discount. Right, insurance. The purpose of trade discount is to motivating customer to purchase more products from the business organization. You offer trade discounts. The purpose is what? Motivating customer to purchase more products from your business organization. But purpose of cash discount is collecting cash as soon as possible. As soon as possible. Okay, the purpose of cash discount is collecting cash as soon as possible. Okay, if you sold stocks for 2 months credit period, okay, you sold today a stock and you informed the customer, pay this amount within 2 months. Let's say pay this 50,000 within 2 months. But you you can inform the customer that if you settle, you need to settle this amount within 2 months. But if you can settle this amount within 1 month, I will give you 10% discount. I will give you 10% discount. Then students here, purpose of cash discount is what? Collecting cash as soon as possible. Here, a supplier has offered 20,000 discounts to you. Okay, when you are going to settle 400,000. Cash discount received. Cash discount received. How to separate for this transaction? We will record separate. We will record separate. Here, to settle 400,000 creditors, you have paid 380 in cash. Then how to separate for the 380? Cash book credit 380. Cash book credit 380. Creditors, and then creditors account debit 380. Cash book credit 380. Creditors account debit 380. Payment in cash, and then receiving a discount of 20. Discount received, income of the business. On the other hand, because of this 20,000, your payable balance decreased by 20,000. Payable balance decrease. Therefore, creditors account debit, and then discount received account credit, income. Decreasing liabilities without intervention of owner. Income. Sorry. Yes, income. Decreasing liabilities of the business organization without having any intervention of owner can be considered as income. Okay, decreasing liabilities. Okay, the result is income. So the residence, creditors account debit 20,000. Creditors account debit 20,000. Creditors account debit 20,000. Discount received. Discount received account credit. Creditors account debit 20,000. Discount received account credit. Discount received account credit. Directly I will record that one in the trial balance. Discount received account. Discount received account credit 20,000. Okay. Creditors account debit. Discount received account credit. Right. Manisha, is it clear, Manisha?
Yes.
Yes, right. Dakshara, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, right. Abhishek?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Right. Next transaction. After allowing a discount of 30, cash issue from debtors amounted to 570. Total settlement is 600. We need to collect 600 from debtors. Okay, but you have collected only 570. Balance 30. Discount given. Discount allowed to customers. We need to collect. Okay. Okay, we need to collect from debtors as soon as possible. Therefore, we offer a discount of 30,000 to collect cash. Okay, from debtors. Right. Then here students, receiving cash 570. How it was double entry? Cash book debit 570. Cash book debit 570 debtors, and then debtors account credit 570 cash. Cash book debit 570, debtors account credit 570. And then discount allowed to debtors. How much? 30,000. Debtors account balance decreased by 30,000. Receivable balance decreased by 30,000. Therefore, debtor credit 30,000. Discount allowed the account debit 30,000 debtors. Discount allowed account debit 30,000 debtors. Directly I will record that one in the trial balance. Discount allowed debit 30,000. Okay, debtors account credit, discount allowed account debit. Sitma, is it clear, Sitma?
Clear, sir.
Clear, right? Now, my next transaction, look at the next transaction. 31st August cash paid 20,000 for the August month electricity expense of 30. Due amount is 10. You need to pay 30,000 to electricity board. But you have paid only 20,000. Balance 10,000 payable. Balance 10,000 payable. Balance 10,000 payable. Then the students here, how to pass double entry for this transaction. At first, we will record payment in cash. Payment in cash. Paid amount how much? 20,000 and then cash book credit 20,000. Electricity expense account debit 20,000 cash. Electricity expense account debit 20,000 cash. Okay, cash book credit, electricity expense account debit. You paid only 20,000. And then balance 10,000 payable. Balance 10,000 payable. How to pass the money for this balance 10,000? Electricity expense account debit 10,000. Accrued electricity, and then accrued electricity account credit 10,000 cash. Accrued electricity account credit 10,000 cash. Okay. Electricity account debit 10,000. Accrued electricity account credit 10,000. Students, you know, we prepare profit or loss statement in a business organization based on accrual concept. Accrual concept. Okay, we can discuss accrual concept in chapter 5 when we're discussing accounting concepts. With accounting concepts, we can discuss accrual concept. Accrual concept says that relevant income for the period should be recorded in profit or loss statement. Relevant income for the period. As well as for expenses, relevant expense for the period should be recorded in profit or loss statement. Relevant expense. It means in the income income accounts and in expenses accounts, you need to record relevant income and relevant expense for the period. In expenses, whether you paid in cash or not, relevant expense for the period should be recorded in expense account. Whether you paid or not. Sometimes you can pay, sometimes not. But anyway, relevant expense for the period should be recorded. So then, students, here electricity expense account, you have debited relevant amount for the period. Later, we can transfer this total 30,000 to profit and loss account. Anyway, you need to record relevant expense for the period. So then, payment in cash would credit, electricity expense account debit, and then balance 10,000 payable amount. Electricity expense account debit, accrued electricity account debit. Okay, right. Look at the next transaction. Depreciation of furniture amount for the month of August 10,000. 10,000 depreciation of furniture. So then furniture account credit. Furniture account credit depreciation 10,000. Furniture account credit 10,000 depreciation. Depreciation and then depreciation expense account debit 10,000. Depreciation means what? Reduction in value of fixed assets, long-term assets. When you're using fixed assets for business activities, their values can be reduced. So then the reduction in value of fixed assets we consider as depreciation. So then it says depreciation. How much? Depreciation on debit side. Furniture account credit, depreciation account debit 10,000. Clear? Right. Manisha, do you have any doubt, Manisha?
No.
No doubt, right. What about Abhishek? Do you have any doubt, Abhishek?
No, sir.
No, right. Daksharne?
No. No.
No. Sitma?
No, sir.
No doubt, right. Daksharne and Sitma. Quickly balance the trial balance. And then Abhishek and Manisha. Then, right, if you have any corrections, please complete the trial balance. Cash balance how much? 1,200 plus 400 plus 240 plus 400 then 2,810 minus 70 500 320 80 and 30 40 and 380 and 20. Cash balance 1,370. Is it correct? 1,370 cash balance.
Yes.
Is that right? Cash balance 1,370. Yeah, right. Capital 1,440. Bank loan 320. Cash balance and then stock balance 740 plus 320 plus 40 minus 580 minus 30 minus 280. Stock 210 है stock. Stock 210 stock. Creditors balance creditors 740 minus 30 minus 380 minus 20. Creditors 310 creditors. Creditors. And then cost of sales 580 plus 280 minus 40. Cost of sales 820. Cost of sales and then furniture 690 furniture. Furniture 690 yes. Furniture. Debtors 860 minus 60 minus 570 and debtors 200 debtors. Debtors. Sales 860 plus 400 minus 60. Sales 1,200. Yes, sales 1,200. Sales. Electricity 30. Right. The balance sheet figure is 3,500. Is it correct? Yes, right. Abhishek, okay then? Okay, then Abhishek.
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Daksharni, okay. Sitma, privacy equal to Sitma.
So it's still calculating, sir.
Huh?
It's still calculating, sir.
Okay. Right, Dakshana, quickly complete the trial balance.
So can you please show me the creditors account?
Creditors account. Creditors account. Okay, Zikma.
So furniture, 200 should be added to previous
Purchase
one.
200 we recorded separately. Because purchase of furniture on credit basis, we can't credit into normal creditors account. In the normal creditors account, we record stock suppliers, inventory suppliers. Okay, therefore, purchase of fixed assets on credit basis. Okay, balance payable for the furniture, we can't credit into creditors account. But here, purchase of fixed asset, long-term assets. Therefore, in the trial balance, okay, we prepare the separate ledger account for the payable for furniture.
Okay, sir.
Okay, another. If you purchase on Vasana car sale, let's say Vasana furniture, then this 200 Vasana furniture account credit. Furniture debit, Vasana furniture account credit. You need to say open a separate account, call it Vasana furniture. But here I have not mentioned a separate name, therefore, I recorded it as payable for furniture 200. Right, Manisha and Abhishek, if you have done the trial balance, please prepare profit and loss account and statement of financial position.
Okay.
Profit and loss account and statement of financial position. Now, profit and loss account, okay, using the double entry method. Right. Dakshara, is it finished? Dakshara.
Those
Payable for furniture liability. Raksha liability. You need to pay the liabilities.
So trial balance is equal.
Right. Right. Quickly prepare profit and loss account and statement of financial position. Abhishek, Manisha, okay, other sir. Okay, once you complete the same with answers, okay, all the income we credit into profit and loss account. All the expenses debit. Income credit, expenses debit, and then stay in the statement of financial position, we record all the assets of the business organization, assets, and then equity and liability balances. Okay, statement of financial position shows basic accounting equation. All the assets of the business organization equal to equity and liability. Right, Manisha, answer is correct, huh? Right. I think answer is correct. Right, correct. Answer is correct, Manisha. Manisha, this 220 is profit, huh? Net profit.
So where should we record depreciation?
Depreciation expense. Expense. Manisha, this 220 profit, huh? net profit, okay. Right. Abhishek, send me the answer, Abhishek.
I had done it, but it's not balancing yet.
Alright.
Actually, wrongs.
Okay, shall we discuss profit or loss? We'll discuss, huh? We'll discuss. We'll discuss a question, huh? Right. Okay, the Daksharmi. Shilpa will discuss, huh?
Okay, sir.
Question number 7 you can do. Okay. Right. I will discuss question number 6 at first. Right. Right. Now I look at the trial balance. Look at the trial balance. Right. Students, for the balances available in trial balance, you know, for the balances available in trial balance, we have passed double entries. Then again, no need to pass double entries. The only thing is you need to place balances available in trial balance in the relevant position. Income, okay, income and expenses we record in profit or loss account. Income credit, expenses debit, and then assets we record in SOFE. Equity and liability balances we record in SOFE, statement of financial position. SOFE, okay, statement of financial position. SOFE. Okay, no need to pass double entries again. Okay, right. Then students, in this question, in our trial balance, okay, I'm using my trial balance, right? Capital 1,440, capital equity. Capital belongs to equity, capital. Capital 1,440. Capital 1,440. Capital. Rent expense of the business, rent expense. Then rent expense we record in profit or loss account. Profit or loss account. Rent expense debit. Debit 70. Debit 70 rent. Rent debit. Payable for furniture liabilities. Payable for furniture liabilities. Payable for furniture. Payable for furniture 200 liability. 200 liability. Bank loan 320 liability. Bank loan 320 liability. Bank loan 320 liability. Drawings are drawings you need to deduct from capital. Capital. Drawings belongs to equity. Equity. Okay. Drawings are available in the debit side, but drawings belongs to equity. Okay. Under the capital, you can write down drawings and some minus balance. Drawings 30 equity. Drawings 30 equity. Salary 40 expense. Salary expense. Profit and loss account debit salary. Salary 40 expense debit salary. Discount received 20 income. Discount received income. Discount received income. Discount received 20 profit and loss account credit. Discount received 20 income. Discount allowed 30 expense. Profit and loss account debit. Profit and loss account debit 30 expense. Discount allowed 30 expense. Discount allowed 30 expense. Depreciation 10 expense. Depreciation expense. Depreciation 10 expense. Cash balance 1,370 cash. Asset available cash balance asset 1,370. 1,370 cash asset. Stock 210, remaining stock of the business assets. Remaining stock of the business assets. Remaining stock asset of the business stocks 210. 210 stocks. 210 stocks. Remaining stocks asset. Creditors 310. Liability. Payable. Payable 310. Liability. Creditors. Creditors 310. Liabilities. Creditors. Cost of sales expense. Expenses incurred for the sales. To generate sales. Direct expenses. Okay. Direct expense of the business 820. Cost of sales expense 820. Cost of sales 820. Furniture 690. Asset furniture. Furniture 690. Asset furniture. Debtors 200. Asset debtors. Debtors 200 asset. Sales 1200. Now my sales income. Income sales. Sales 1200 income sales. Electricity 30. Expense. Electricity. Electricity 30 expense. Accrued electricity 10. Liability. Accrued electricity 10 means liability. We need to pay 10,000 to the electricity board. Okay, 10,000 accrued electricity. Okay, Julas, you have recorded all the elements of accounting in profit and loss account and statement of financial position. Right now, you can balance. You can calculate the profit or loss. Here, 1,220. 1,220 minus these balances. These balances. So then profit calculated can be calculated. 1,220 minus 70, 40, 30, 10, 8, 20 and 30. 220. Manisha's answer is correct. Huh? 220 profit. Profit 220. Profit 220. So this 220 profit belongs to owner. This 220 profit belongs to owner. 220 transferred to equity. Equity profit. Right. And you can answer the question. Sit on turning right. Daksharni, together. Daksharni.
Yes, sir.
What about Abhishek balance?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Right. Now, question number 7 homework. Question number 7 homework. You need to complete in question number 7 account in equation, ledger accounts and trial balance, as well as profit and loss account and statement of financial position. Question number 7 is equal to question number 6. Therefore, try to do question number 7 at home. Okay, I need correct answers from everyone now. Right. Therefore, please, if you have any doubt, please look at the question number 6 answer. Okay. Try to do question number 7 at home. Okay, the equation, ledger accounts, trial balance and profit and loss account and statement of financial position. Okay, question number 7 homework. Now, we'll take a break now. After the break, you want it, I will send that one to the group. Right, Lamai, we'll take 15 minutes break. After the break, we will discuss question 8. Account and equation of question 8. Account and equation of question 8. We'll take 15 minutes break. I need to take break first. That Lamai normally from right, Lamai, we'll discuss question 8. Okay, Manisha. Okay, Manisha, right. Abhishek,
Okay.
okay, right.
Yes, sir.
Right, right. Daksha, Arne, Sitma will discuss question number 8.
Okay, sir.
Right, Lamai, look at the question number 8. For the question number 8, at first we will, first one is record the effect of above transaction for the following ground equation. Liabilities plus capital plus income minus expenses equal to assets. Okay, here we'll transfer assets to other side. We will record it as assets equal to liabilities plus capital plus income minus expenses. Okay, next, right. Question number 8. Question number 8. Right here, assets equal to liabilities. Liability plus capital plus income minus expense. Okay, we will transfer assets to other side. Okay, listeners, in this question you can see opening balances. Opening balances are available in this question. Opening balances. If examiner has provided opening balances, students, opening balances should be equal. Okay, opening balances should be equal. It means opening assets of the business organization should be equal to opening equity and opening liability. Okay, if examiner has provided you opening balances should be equal. It means opening assets of the business organization should be equal to opening equity and opening liability. Okay. All right. Now, then quickly get the opening balance, opening equity balance of the business organization. In this question, you can see only opening assets and opening liability. Okay. In this question, you can see only opening assets and opening liability. Somebody calculate the opening equity balance. How to calculate opening equity balance? How to calculate? Opening assets minus opening liabilities. Opening assets minus opening liabilities. Okay, you can calculate opening equity balance. Right? Come on. Quickly calculate opening equity balance. Opening equity balance of the business. Right, Lamai? If opening balances are not equal, you can't balance the accounting equation now. Right. Right. Students here, opening assets of the business organization should be equal to opening liability and opening equity. Okay. Building plant opening assets. Building plant 2,200 opening assets. Building plant. Building material 560 opening assets. Building material 560 opening assets. Debtors 620 opening assets. Debtors 620 opening assets. Debtors. Cash in hand 240 opening assets. Cash in hand. Cash in hand 240 opening assets. Cash in hand. Creditors 530 liability. Creditors 530 liability. Creditors. Bank loan 550. Bank loan 550. Open liability. Then students, how much open equity balance? How much open equity? How much open equity? $2,540. Yes. Yes. Open equity balance 2,540. Yes. Answer is correct, Manisha. 2,200, 560, 620, 240, 3,620 opening assets. Opening liability 530 plus 550, 1,080, 1,080, and then 3,620 minus 1,080. 3,620 minus 1,080, 2,500, 2,540 opening equity. Open equity 3,500. Clear, Abhishek, clear? Daksharni, clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it right? Sitma, is it clear? Sitma.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Then students, if examiner has provided opening balances should be equal when you prepare accounting equation. Not only that, when you prepare ledger accounts also, opening balance should be equal. One of the accounting concept you can't forget. You can't forget this concept. Okay, students. If you have an expectation to become an accountant, chartered accountant, okay, until you die, you can't forget this concept. Okay, you can't forget this concept. If examiner has provided opening balances, if okay, practically, if you are working in a company, then they have maintained incomplete records in previous years. But you are the newly recruited accountant of the business. Previous records are incomplete. Okay. And at first, using the available balances, You need to calculate opening assets, opening liabilities, and after that you can calculate opening equity. From opening assets, you can deduct opening liabilities. Then you can calculate equity. You can calculate equity. Okay. Okay. When you preparing accounts, okay, when you preparing financial statement in A level, okay, for sole proprietorship business, for a partnership business, okay, preparing financial statements of non-profit organization, okay, when you're preparing income payment records, when you're preparing company accounts, you need to apply this theory in advanced level. In advanced level. You can't forget this theory. Yeah? This is not a theory, a practical thing. Opening budget should be. Okay, right. Opening budget should be. Right. The next one in this question, opening assets 3,620. Opening assets. Opening balance. Opening assets 3,620. Opening assets equal to opening liability 1,080. Capital balance how much? 2,540. Opening balance. Now I will give you some time. I will give you 10 minutes. I will give you 10 minutes. Try to do this question. Count in the equation part. I will give you 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes. Try to do something within 10 minutes for this question. This one, eh?
Yes, sir.
Building material costing 150 per return to suppliers. Then stock material return. Then asset minus 150. Stock minus ne? Asset minus 150. Liability minus 150.
Okay, sir.
Okay, is it, man? Huh? Building material minus, asset minus, and then liability minus. Okay, ne? But why today we have a power cut again? Again, but until the last moment we will do. I can run my laptop using my UPS, and then I don't know the battery level of the mobile phone, but anyway, we will continue until the last moment. And now, when you send messages to the host. Okay, send me the messages to the host. How to record the 20th September? Actually, 20th September. Right. Right, this transaction, eh? Right, Dakshar, eh? 20th September, and all welding plant was sold for cash amounted to 360. Right, and all welding plant was sold for cash amounted to 360. The value of this plant at the date of sale was 400. Okay, yeah. Cost of the welding plant. Oh, book value. Book value of the welding plant 400. Book value of the welding plant 400. Selling price 360. Selling price 360. Okay, right. Then how to record this transaction in accounting equation? 20 September. Receive 360 in cash. Then asset plus 360. Asset plus 360. And then value of the plant 400. And plant decreased by 400. Value plant decreased by 400. Okay, cash increased by 360, value plant decreased by 400. And then Daksha here, there's a profit of 40. 40,000 profit belongs to transfer to income. Income plus 40. Income plus 40. Profit from disposal of value plant. Profit from disposal of value plant. Okay, there. Cash plus 360, value plant minus 400. Profit. No, oh, sorry, students. Here there's a loss. There's a loss here. Selling price 360. Selling price 360. Value of the value plant is 400. 400 worth of value plant. They have sold at 360. Loss of 40. Then expenses minus 40. Expenses minus 40. Okay, cash plus value plant minus 400, and then there's a loss of 40. 40 transfer to expense. That's clear.
Yes.
Yes or no? Purchase amount how much in stationery? Purchase amount.
Yes.
Purchase amount how much? How much the purchase amount? They have purchased Abhishek 80,000.
Oh yeah. Okay.
They have purchased 80,000 stationery. Then here this purchase stationery stock 80,000. Okay, you can't transfer into expense. Okay, this purchase stationery you can transfer into expenses. You can't transfer the expenses. This 80,000. Okay, the best thing is okay. This 80,000 asset plus 80,000 asset minus 80,000. The station increased by 80,000. Asset decreased by 80,000. Cash decreased by 80,000.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and then here out of this purchase stationery 80,000. Remaining stock is 60,000. Remaining stock.
Yes.
Remaining stationery 60,000. It means Abhishek, they have used 20,000 stationery.
Yes.
Use 20,000. Then how to go this 20,000? Cash minus 20,000. Expenses minus 20. Not cash. Stationery minus 20,000. Stationery minus 20,000. Expenses minus 20,000.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then remaining balance. Okay. Yeah. Remaining balance is there in stocks, in assets. Okay. Lamai, give me few minutes, sir. For the question number 8, I will use an Excel sheet. Huh? Excel sheet. Okay, Dwanisha, we'll use Excel sheet. Huh? Okay, right. But opening balance, opening assets, 3,620. 3,620 opening assets. Open liabilities, 1,080. Opening capital, 2,540. 2,540. Right. 2nd September. Purchase welding material A70 on credit basis. Stock plus 870. Liability plus 870. Liability plus 870. Right. 3rd September. Cash received from debtors 460. Cash plus 460. Debtors minus 460. Cash plus debtors minus. Okay, right. Lamai transaction 5th September 5th, paid 200,000 to settle the part of bank loan. Cash minus 200, liability minus 200. Okay, right. Now, 7th September, cash received for service income 540. 540 service income, received cash. Then cash plus 540. Cash plus 540, income plus 540. Cash plus 540, income plus 540. Okay, right. 10th September, a debt of one of the debtors amounted to 20, written off as bad debts. Then asset minus 20, expenses minus 20. Abhishek, okay, Abhishek.
Yes.
Yes, right. 30 September, purchase welding material 420 for cash basis. 420, then cash minus 420.
The 10th September में
Expenses. Right. 13th, asset minus 420. Purchase welding material on cash basis. Cash minus welding material plus 420. Okay, 3rd September. Right. Then 15 September, Nilantha introduced 600,000 additional capital to the business. Then cash plus 600, capital plus 600. Manisha, clear the Manisha? Okay, Manisha. Clear, right? Right, then 15 September, okay. 16 September, paid 40,000 transport charges, cash minus 40, expenses minus 40. Cash minus 40, expenses minus 40. Right. 18 September, service rendered for customers 1,420 on credit basis. Then debtors increased by 1,420. Debtors increase, huh? Asset plus 1,420. Debtors increased by 1,420, and then income plus 1,420. Income plus 1,420. Income plus. Okay, now asset plus income plus, huh? Right. 18. 20th September, welding material costing 150 were returned to supply. 150 stock, welding material, returned to supply. Then stock decreased by 150. Welding material decreased by 150, and then liabilities minus 150. Liabilities minus 150. Okay, the Daksharni.
Okay.
Right, then 22nd September, cash received from debtors 870, allowing a discount of 30. Received cash 870, allowing a discount of 30. Then here, total debtor settlement is how much? 900. Total debtor settlement is 900. Therefore, debtors decrease by 900. Debtor decrease by 900. And then received cash is 70. Then cash plus 807. And then discount allowed amount 30, expenses minus. Discount allowed amount, expenses minus that. Getting right. 23rd September, purchase stationery 80,000 on cash base. Here, students, they have separately mentioned stationery used amount. Therefore, purchase stationery 80,000, we will add it to stationery stock account. Stationery stock. So then here, cash minus 80. You paid the cash ne, and then stationery stock plus 80. Stationery stock plus 80. Sitma clear, Sitma?
Clear, sir.
Clear, right? Right. 23rd. 25th September. Nilanda withdrew 120 in cash for his personal use. Then cash minus 120. Capital minus 120. Drawings 120, yeah. Right. 27th September. 27th September. Cash paid to creditor 680 in settlement of 700. Discount received 20. Then total creditor settlement. Right. 27th September. Cash per creditor 680. Right. Cash minus 680. In settlement of 700. Liability minus 700. Discount received income plus 20. Right. 28th September. An old welding plant was sold for cash amount in 360. 360. Old welding plant was sold for cash amount of 360. The value of the then here students received cash 360. Welding plant decreased by how much? 400. Here there's a loss. Loss is how much? Loss is 40. Expenses minus 40. Right. 30th September. 30th September. Cash paid for the September month salaries for workers 60. Cash minus 60. Expenses minus 60. Twenty-seventh transaction. Dakshar 27th transaction. 27th transaction is Dakshar 27th transaction. Cash paid to creditor 680. In settlement of 700. Discount issue 20. Dakshar में total payable balance to supplier 700. Total payable balance to supplier 700. But subject to 20,000 discount, we have paid only 680. You are trying to pay 700 to supplier. Supplier inform you, don't pay total 700. Okay, you need to pay only 680. Don't pay 700, please pay only 680. Then balance 20. A discount received to us. Discount received to us. Therefore, Dakshar me total creditor settlement 700. Liability decreased by 700. But to settle, we paid in cash how much? 680. Cash payment 680. But that 20 discount received income 20. Dakshar, is it clear?
Yeah.
Yes, right. In all level, you have learned, huh? Discount, cash discount. This is some kind of cash discount. Cash discount. cash discount received. Right. September, salary payment 60, okay, and then electricity expense for the month of September 30, the value payment was made only 20,000. Relevant electricity expense 30, the residence expenses minus 30, expenses minus 30. But you have paid only how much? But you have paid only 20. Balance 10, liability plus 10. Balance in liability plus. Okay, you have paid in cash only 20, but relevant expense for the period is 30. The liability plus 10. Right. Depreciation for building plant is 30. Depreciation 30, then insurance. Asset minus 30, expenses minus 30. Expenses minus 30. Asset minus 30, expense minus 30. Then next transaction. Welding material have been used during the month of September amount to 70. Then consumption of welding material, asset minus 870, expenses minus 870. Okay, you have used 870 welding material. Welding material, yes. Then asset minus 870, expense minus 870. And then next one, stationery stock remaining hand 60. It means stationery consumption how much? Consumption 20. Asset minus 20. Stationery minus 20. Expenses minus 20. Last transaction. Purchase a new plant paying 1,000 rupees. Then cash minus 1,000 rupees. Asset plus 1,000 rupees. Right. Question is clear or not? Well, am I? Question is clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Manisha, clear? Clear, right? Daksharani, do you have any doubt? Daksharani?
No, sir.
No doubt in that. Manisha, is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Right. Manisha, how much is the balancing figure? Yes.
4,770.
Yes. Right. Sitwa Sans is correct. Eh? Right. Proceed.
So I got 2,994 capital.
Capital? I think amount is correct.
Okay, so I have indicate that the 30,000 minus the depreciation in capital call.
Right. Right. Dakshara, question is finished or not? Ask is finished. Manisha is done, Manisha. Okay, the sit one. Building material are stocks. Stocks. Sit one, building materials. Sit one. Okay, make building rods.
Okay,
Make
sir.
building rods. Building practice, building machine. Make. Sit one, building machine. Fix as it.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So then we should record welding material prices as stock, no?
Yes. Just record it as building material account. With the background on stock. Now, my for when here business has purchased stationery 80,000. So for the purchase stationery, you need to create stationery stock account. Cash book credit 80,000, stationery stock account debit 80,000. Okay, the cash credit stationery stock account debit. Okay, and then that stationery consumption amount, consumed amount 20,000, stationery stock account credit, stationery expense account debit. Okay, the stationery stock account credit, stationery expense account debit 20,000. Okay. Right, am I complete the question? Is accounts. At first, you need to record opening balances, huh? Opening balances of each account. In the capital account, opening balance 2,540. Capital account. 18th and 28th. 18th Manisha, credit sales. Credit sales. So then debtors account debit, service income account, credit service income account or sales account. Okay, Manisha. Debtors account debit, sales account or you can write it as service income account. Service income account credit. Okay. Okay, Manisha. Right. Manisha, for the 28th transaction, you need to create a value plant disposal account. For 28th September transaction, you need to create a value plant disposal account. Value plant disposal account. Value plant disposal account. Then here, all value plants sold for cash amount to 360. Then Manisha, then this 360 cash book debit 360. Value plant disposal account credit 360. Receiving cash. Cash book debit, value plant disposal account credit. Okay, Manisha, 28th transaction. 28th transaction. Cash book debit 360, value plant disposal account credit 360. Value plant disposal account credit 360. And then Manisha, value of the value plant is 400. Then value plant account credit 400. Value plant disposal account debit 400. When you selling fixed assets of the business organization, long-term assets of the business organization, you need to create a disposal account. Disposal account. You can't rename it as a value plant sale account. You can't name it as value plant sale account. It is value plant disposal account. Disposal account. Okay, technical term for the sale of fixed asset. Disposal. So they're receiving cash book debit, disposal account credit, and then cost of the value plant credit, value plant disposal account debit. Value plant disposal account debit.
Excuse
Okay.
me, sir.
Yes.
So how to go this bad debts?
Bad debts, debtors account credit, bad debts account debit. Or debtors account credit, bad debts account debit. Right. Manisha, 28th September, clear or not? Clear, right? Right, now, do you have any issues?
So bad debts credit, no?
No, bad debts debit, expense ne? Expense. Debtors account credit, debtors. Okay. Debtors account credit, bad debts expense account debit. Debtors credit, bad debts expense account debit. Okay, Sidma.
Okay.
So how to record the stationery?
Stationery, that purchase stationery stock 80,000. Purchase amount 80,000. Then this 80,000. 23rd September. This one, this amount. Daksha name. Cash book credit 80,000. Stationery stock account debit 80,000. Cash book credit. Stationery expense account debit 80,000. Sorry, stationery stock account. Cash credit. Stationary stock account debit 80,000. And then 30th September, stationary remaining stock 60 ne? Remaining stock 60. It means stationary consumption is 20,000. Stationary consumption is 20,000. So then the double entry for this 20,000 is actually stationary stock account credit, stationary expense account debit. Stationary expense account debit 20,000. Stationary stock account credit, stationary expense account debit 20,000. Dakshara clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Third one. Welding material consumption Manisha. Welding material consumption Manisha. This one. Okay, A70 consumption of welding material 870 Manisha. Then this 870 Manisha, welding material account credit, welding material account credit, welding material consumption account debit. Here, this 870 Manisha, welding material account credit 870, welding material consumption of welding material credit, welding material consumption account debit. Or welding material credit, cost of sale account debit. You can get it as cost of sales. Okay, without debit. Okay, welding material consumption account or cost of sale account debit A7. Just write down cost of sale, debit that amount to cost of sale. Okay, Manisha. Manisha, is it clear, Manisha? Okay. Now, do you have any doubt? We will discuss this question during this week. Okay, we'll take around half an hour, 45 minutes during this week. Then we will discuss this question. Try to do this question at home because we started the class at 8:30. Okay, now long time. Therefore, try to complete the question at home. If you have any doubt, send me a message or you can give me a call. Okay. Anyway, we will set half an hour or 45 minutes. Okay, in this week, and then we'll discuss this question. Okay, most probably Tuesday night or Thursday night. We'll take some time. 30 minutes enough. 30 minutes, so 35, 40 minutes, 45 minutes enough. We'll discuss this question. Try to do the question at home. Huh? Okay, right. This was we'll stop for the day. Yeah, we'll stop for the day. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, 20th September.
20 September. Welding material return. Welding material return Sigma. Welding material account credit. Creditors account debit. Okay, Sigma. Welding material account credit. Returning of some welding material. Welding material credit. Creditors account debit. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Right. We'll discuss this question. Okay, in this week. Huh? Okay, right. Right, enough for the day. Right. I'll stop the class. Huh? Right.
Thank you, sir.
Right. Thank you. Okay, right.
Thank you, Uncle.
Right. Thank you. Right. Okay, Manisha. Right.